Greetings folks, we've done heaps of work over the years on the underneath of this thing and I think it's just about all completed. We've rerun the fuel line, we've got it painted under here, we've got the floor pans all buttoned up, all nice and done. Even last time we played with it, we put the exhaust back in it. A couple of little things to tidy up, such as putting those bolts back on, but for the most part we've got it all pretty good under here, so hopefully I don't have to look underneath it too much once it's finished. But I think taking a couple little shots of what it's like underneath here might help me remember in the future. God knows I've looked at it heaps over the years. We are going to get a new power steering arm, I think, sorted for this thing. Let's look under the back here. There's the rail that we've replaced. It's all looking pretty good. Anyway, cheerio.